Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of changing your date format to the American style, month, day, year, on Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, we need to access your Windows settings. Right-click on the Start button and then select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Time and Language tab on the left sidebar. Once that section is open, click on Language and Region. Allow this section a moment to load completely. Now, scroll down the page until you find the Regional Format option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select English United States. You might need to scroll a bit further down this list, as there are many variations of English available. Once you have selected English United States, observe the changes. The date format should now display the month before the day, as is standard for the American format. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.